If Adobe Photoshop is freezing, lagging, or not responding on Windows 11, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These solutions are simple, safe, and designed to help you get Photoshop running smoothly again, without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first fix is to disable GPU acceleration, which is one of the most common reasons Photoshop freezes on Windows 11. If Photoshop locks up while zooming, brushing, or opening files, your graphics card may be clashing with the software. To turn this off, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. In the Performance settings, look for Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. After that, click OK and restart Photoshop. Once Photoshop opens again, test it and see if the freezing has stopped. If this works, that's a strong sign your graphics driver may need updating, so you can later update your GPU drivers and safely turn this setting back on if needed. If Photoshop is still freezing, the next thing to do is reset your Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preference files can cause random crashes, glitches, and lag, especially after a Windows update. To reset them, close Photoshop completely first, then hold down Ctrl, Alt and Shift on your keyboard and launch Photoshop again while still holding those keys. A prompt will appear asking if you want to delete the settings file. Click Yes. This resets Photoshop's saved preferences and often clears out hidden software bugs that cause freezing. The third fix is to change your scratch disk. Photoshop uses scratch disk space when it runs low on memory, and if your main drive is almost full, the app can freeze instantly. To check this, press and hold Ctrl and Alt right away while launching Photoshop. A startup screen will appear with scratch disk options and drive information. Look at the free space on your primary drive. If it's very low, select a secondary drive, such as a D drive, that has more free space. Using a drive with more room gives Photoshop the space it needs to work properly and can seriously improve stability. Next, if Photoshop freezes the moment you click the Type tool, the issue may be related to fonts. Broken font files can cause Windows 11 and Photoshop to struggle, especially when loading font previews. To fix that, go to the top menu in Photoshop, click Type, then choose Font Preview Size. Change the setting to None. This reduces the load when selecting text tools and can stop those annoying text-related freezes. The final fix is to set Windows 11 to High Performance Mode for Photoshop. This tells Windows to give Photoshop more direct access to your hardware power instead of limiting it in the background. To do this, open the Windows Start menu, type Graphics Settings, and press Enter. In the Graphics Settings window, find Adobe Photoshop in the list. If it's not there, click Browse and add it manually. Then click on Photoshop, choose Options, select High Performance, and click Save. This can help Photoshop run much more smoothly, especially on laptops and systems that switch between power saving and performance modes. Now, after going through these steps, restart your computer and open Photoshop again to test it properly. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the freezing issue completely, but even if you only notice partial improvement, that's still a good sign you're heading in the right direction. The most common fixes are disabling GPU acceleration and resetting preferences, so I'd start there first if you want the fastest result. If this tutorial helped you fix Adobe Photoshop not responding or freezing on Windows 11, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes, PC tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.